I've been wearing these damn twists to death. So hi guys, in today's video I want to do a 4-in-1. So I want to do my hair, makeup, outfit and perfume for Thanksgiving. So that's what we're going to do today. I can do this whole face in about 15 minutes and that's what I'm trying to do. It's 2:45 right now, so let's get into it. I'm gonna do my makeup first because I just had to reglue one of my press-ons. So I'm gonna mix two foundation. I'm going in with L'Oreal Pro Matte in 109 Classic Tan and NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in Syracuse M1. I'm getting pale. I'm getting pale, so your girl have to mix her foundation right now because I'm in between shade. I'm in between my summer shade and my winter shade. So plus I like mixing my foundations anyway. I think it's the makeup artist in me that I used to be. Excuse me. But today we're going in for full on glam. I've been doing a lot of quick, easy, mom on the go makeup tutorial, but today, because it's Thanksgiving, I want to do full on glam, full beat. So and if you guys want a just a simple quick makeup tutorial, if you're not into the full glam, I'll link one below. I just recently uploaded one where I was trying out some new stuff that I got from Sephora, so you guys can use that if you're more into light makeup. A majority of the time I put most of my foundation on my cheek area and press it in because this is where I have the most discoloration. I like to blend. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. This is a Juvia's Place concealer in number 16. It is a fave. It reminds me a lot of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. However, this has more yellowy undertones to me personally than the Too Faced one. I find that with my skin tone, the undertone of the Too Faced concealers tend to pull more orange. More warm, and for my concealer I like a more neutral undertone concealer. Not cool, but neutral. Forgot to bring my bronzer. Now I'm going in with my cream blush, and this is Fenty Cheeks Out number 10 Rose Latte. I'm slowly becoming a blush girl. I never used to like blush. I don't know why, but of recently, your girl have been loving blush. And I like to kind of smile. Pull it up on the cheeks. I like to put it on my temple. Now that's done. Now I'm gonna go in with LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and this is in light yellow corrector. I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm literally using the tiniest bit. I'm using the tiniest bit because my under eye looks super bright on camera already, but in real life it's not. I think it's because of my lighting, but if you have a similar shade to me and you find that no matter what you do, your highlight is not like as light as you want it, I would suggest using this concealer, the LA Girl Corrector. Excuse my hair. I have glue and stuff. I've been doing a lot of videos, so I have a lot of glue and stuff in my hair. I know I look crazy, but whatever. Now I'm going in with this is the Charlotte Tilbury fountain press powder, and this is in medium, and I'm just gonna use a little bit and set underneath my eyes. I love this powder because it doesn't make my under eye cakey. I know we look crazy now, but we're getting there. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place blush, and I'm gonna use the top one. And this is super pigmented, so be careful. Look at that. Yeah, blend it out with your foundation brush. And then after, I'm going to do brows. I'm going to use the same powder brush, kind of powder my brows a little bit to get all the oils out. Now I'm going in with my NYX brow glue, and I'm gonna try to not fast forward any of this clip so you can see everything in real time. I know a lot of times we fast forward clips. I'm gonna try not to fast forward this clip of the makeup. I'll definitely fast forward clips when I'm doing my hair though, so you can literally see that I'm about to get my makeup done in 15 minutes. So I'm going in with the Secret of Pharaoh Auto Lip Pencil, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. I do not even know what color it is. But any nudie, pinky, mauve, brown will do. Kind of fill in my lips a little bit. And then I'm gonna go into lip gloss, because you know in Thanksgiving you're gonna be eating a lot. You either wanna put on lip gloss or liquid lipstick so your stuff don't move. This is Fenty lip gloss in Fenty Glow Heat 03. And because I'm extra, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Glow on top. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. Where are we at? 12 minutes. So put on a little bit of eyeshadow. This is the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Say what you want about Miss Jaclyn. She created an amazing palette. And I'm just gonna use a nudie brown and blend that in my crease area. Get anything? And if you want to do lashes, you can do lashes. I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara. I have not been wearing lashes lately. Honestly, I feel like it consumes too much of my time. I'm going with a darker brown on the outer edges. Trying to make my 15 minutes timer. Then I'm gonna go in. So I use this brown first and then this brown, and now I'm gonna go in with a neutral color, this silver color right here. Knock off the excess so it don't fall. We're at 14:27. Go in with the old brush that I had the brown color on and blend those edges out. Now I'm gonna go in with my airbrush setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know why my lips are on fire, but And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I like to put my, we officially hit our 15 minutes. I like to put on my mascara after I do my setting spray, because sometimes the setting spray will clump up your lashes if you do it after, depending on what setting spray. Okay, that is officially done. So this is the finished face. I'm going to get into the hair, and we are finished at 16:15. Your girl got it. And if I wasn't talking and bringing you guys through the process, I probably would have been done already. And this is my 6x6 transparent lace wig. This is my go-to wig. I'm not going to recommend this wig, and if you know where it's from, you know, but I'm not going out my way to link it or anything like that, because I don't recommend. It's not what I was expecting either. I guess the company even saw my video and then tried to contact me to get me to take down my review, but your girl wasn't doing it. They pay other influencers to make their reviews and stuff, and sometimes they send good hair to influencers, and sometimes they send the same messed up hair to influencers. It just depends. So all I did was leave out this front section of my hair. I'm gonna put the back in a cute little ponytail. I'm gonna get some BioSilk, a small amount. And put some at the top. And now that it's on, I'm gonna use a small amount of ebbing. So it's a bit tacky. Guys, see how this part is kind of bald? I hate when wigs do that. So I'm just gonna use mascara to fill in this area. I get this. Curl it away from the face. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this one. Away from the face. Split the back in two, and I'm just doing the ends of this, curling the ends. Two things about your work from Sweetie Naturally. Get a $95 95-cent claw clip. And that is it for the hair. I'm gonna go get dressed and come back. For fragrance, I'm gonna go in with Dossier Woody Fraser, and then I'm gonna mix it with Vanilla Moss by Coty. These two pairs together is amazing. So this is the outfit. The top, it's a abstract top with some lightning bolts on it. It's sheer, and the top and the dress is from Shein. Use my code for 15% off. The necklace and earrings are from Pretty Little Thing, and my shoes is from Steve Madden. And then my bag is from Sonobella. And then glasses is also from Pretty Little Thing. So Pretty Little Thing, Pretty Little Thing, Pretty Little Thing, Shein, Sonobella, Steve Madden for the shoes.